Alright, so if you need a clean, eye-catching flyer, but don't want to spend hours designing from scratch, yeah, Canva makes this super easy. In this full guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to design a professional flyer using Canva, step by step. First, open Canva and go to the search bar. Type flyer and hit enter. You'll see tons of templates for events, business promos, sales, pretty much everything. Now pick a template that matches your goal. If it's for an event, choose something bold. For business, maybe something clean and minimal. Just start with something close. You'll customize it anyway. Alright, click on the text boxes and replace them with your own details. Add your title, date, time, location, and any key info. Keep it short and easy to read. Next, swap out the images. You can upload your own or use Canva's built-in photos and graphics. Just make sure they match your theme. Now adjust the colors and fonts to fit your brand or event style. Even small changes here can make your flyer look way more unique. Okay, this part's important. Make sure everything is aligned and spaced properly. Use Canva's guides to keep your design clean and balanced. You want to make the important stuff stand out, like the title or date. Use bigger text, bold fonts, or contrasting colors to grab attention. Don't forget to add a call to action, like register now or contact us. This tells people exactly what to do next. Once everything looks good, click share and then download. Choose PDF print for printing or PNG if you're sharing online. And yeah, that's it. A professional flyer designed in Canva, ready to go. Keep it simple, make it clear, and you'll get way better results. Try a few styles and see what works best.